Thousands of seniors are receiving cash for their life insurance policies every year through what's called a life settlement. Simply put, a life settlement is the actual sale of a life insurance policy for an amount in excess of any cash value. Hi, I'm Phil Giordano, President of SFS Life Settlements. We've been helping seniors and their advisors with life settlements for over a decade. I'd like to share with you a quick story about how a life settlement recently helped a client of ours. He was a 76-year-old man with a $600,000 life insurance policy, and the premiums were increasing every year. He was still in pretty good health and looking forward to many more happy years. So he started to question whether or not he should keep paying for this policy. The policy did have $36,000 in cash value, and if he wanted, he could surrender the policy to the life insurance company and no longer be required to pay premiums. However, he wanted to know if there might be another option. So he reached out to us to see if a life settlement might be a good solution for him. We evaluated his policy and reached out to our network of life settlement buyers. Fortunately, we identified a company willing to pay $98,000 for his policy. That is more than 2.5 times the $36,000 he would have received from the life insurance company. The choice was obvious, so he sold his policy through a life settlement, received his $98,000, and no longer had to pay premiums. Needless to say, he was very happy with the results from his life settlement, and he even had this to say about our process at SFS, and I quote, "Your communication with us was so unbelievable that I felt you became a part of my family. Now the process is over and the money is in the bank, which has made us feel very secure." It was a great pleasure to work with him as well. If you take anything away from this message, it's this. If any of the following situations apply to your client: cash needs arise, the premiums are getting too expensive, or they have a life insurance policy they no longer need, or perhaps not as much coverage, a life settlement may very well be the best option. Our job at SFS is simply to help you as the advisor determine whether or not a life settlement is indeed that best option. If you'd like to learn more, I'd like to encourage you to put your email and name in the box below and receive some additional videos and information from us on life settlements. I look forward to talking to you soon.